Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to add payment method on Wish. To add payment method on your Wish account, the first thing to do is to open the Wish application and log into your account. After you are signed into your Wish account, go ahead and tap on Menu at the bottom right corner. From the menu option, tap on the gear button appearing at the top right hand corner. And under Settings, tap on Manage Payments. Click on Add New Payment on the next page. Now, you can add credit card, debit card and prepaid cards for Wish. Simply go ahead and enter your card number in the first text box. And then enter your expiration date, the security code which is 3 to 4 digits long, and after entering all of your information, select your billing address and tap on Use this payment method at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you will be able to add a payment method on Wish. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.